Hi guys, today we would be focusing on a Leetcode question called twosome. So let me explain the question. Here we have a nums array, we have a target. We need to return the indexes of the elements for which the sum is equals to the target. So nums of I and j should be equals to the target. So there would be two approaches. One will be brute force approach where we would be using two nested loops. I would be iterating from 0 to n minus 1. J would be iterating from I plus 1 to n. And we need to return the value of I and j where nums of I and j are equal to the target. This will be an O of n square approach. We would be focusing on optimized approach using HashMap. So we will create one HashMap that will store the indexes of the elements, and once it is done we would be iterating through the elements and checking its complement element if it is present. So let's get started with the code. So here we will be using means we would be returning minus 1 comma 1 in case the solution is not found. So let's get started. Int answer is equals to minus 1 comma minus 1. Here answer is an array which we would be returning. Once this array is formed, so now n is equals to nums dot length of the array. We will create a hash map. Map is equals to new hash map. For int I is equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Let's create a hash map nums map dot put nums of I and index I. So here the hash map will be created with this for loop. Now let's create another for loop to iterate over the array. For int I is equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. So let's create a complement element nums of I minus target. Now we'll be checking one condition. If the element C is present in the hash map, and if it is present, it should not be equal to the index I. So it will be with this condition nummap dot contains key C and nummap dot get C not is equals to 1. So once it is done, we can either return the answer array or we can return a new array. I will be returning a new array over here, new int I comma nummap dot get C. So once this is done, at the end we would be returning minus 1 comma 1, so which we have stored in answer. So let's see how it goes. I guess there is one mistake over here in the complement element, so it will be target minus nums of I. Let's correct it and check. I guess it is done over here. If it's accepted, let's submit and see. Yep, it's done.